So let's create API for Vue.js. Okay, I'm closing these two files. uh, HTTP controller. I will need a controller. So let's create a controller. PHP artisan make controller and task controller with resource. Should create a controller. Controller has been created. So you can see all the method inside this task controller. Okay, now I'm going to create a resource for task. PHP artisan make resource and task with collection. I'm sorry, PHP artisan make resource task hyphen collection. Alright, so here is our task resource file and this is controller, and let me add the model and resource inside task controller. So use app, then task, and then again use app HTTP resources, and then task as task resource. Okay, so in the index method, let's create a variable task and assign task all data and return new task resource inside the task function, variable. Okay, so now the next step is to create the route in the API file. I am going to create a route. I need all the tasks and then controller name, task controller, and method is index. Sorry. So now PHP artisan serve. PHP artisan serve. What's wrong here? Actually, I forget to add the method, so I need the get method. Okay, then PHP artisan serve. Alright, so in the browser localhost and then API task. Alright, so this controller and resources working together, and these two files giving me the JSON data and all the record I have. So in next video I will show you how can we set up Vue.js with this Laravel 5.7 version and list the data through this created API. I will also create a delete method for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please share your feedback about this tutorial that I can improve the quality of tutorial in the future update. Thank you.